The fishbone cactus is certainly an intriguing succulent, and they usually are presented inside a hanging basket. They have large, juicy stems that grow downwards with these ribs in them, and inside those ribs, in the little grooves, you'll find small thorns that are kind of hidden away. When it comes to caring for these guys, it's super simple. So they do like bright, indirect light. This is like most of the cacti that we have, most of the succulents. They do prefer bright light. And when it comes to watering, let them dry out completely. Because they're succulents, what they do is they use their stems to store as much water as they can, and that's what they use to survive. If you let this guy dry out for too long, it will become soft and wrinkly. You'll be able to bend one of the stems and you'll see wrinkles develop there. That means it is in desperate need of watering. Having such a beautiful and unique succulent hanging up in your home, I certainly recommend adding the fishbone cactus to your collection.